Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Shazam. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about Shazam app and you click here in this page like this. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you